Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, my name is Vippu, and today I am gonna show you how I do facial hair removal. And if you are someone who is new to facial hair removal and want to know which method is best, then this video is for you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. This will mean a lot to me. And before any further ado, let's get started. So these are the two tools, products, methods I use for my face shaving, and I'm gonna show you both of these, that how I use these products and what are their effects when I do the facial hair remover with these. Yeah, let's start with the facial razor first. This is the razor. It comes with a protection cap. This is the size of the razor, so you have to manage every part of your face with this size only. As far as I remember, I'm using this tinkle eyebrow razor from years now, and so this is the trimmer. You can see this one is Bronson Sensitive Precision Beauty Styler. This is, I think, very cheap. It was approximately 355 rupees. It is actually a dupe for Veet Sensitive Touch. I think they are the ones who came first with these kind of trimmers. This comes with a cap like this. You can actually keep your head safe. Then you also, so now if you remove the cap, this is a comb like thingy. You can actually, if you are working with a little longer hair, you can attach it like this, and then you can work on the smaller area with longer hair. And then this also comes with another head like this. This also have a comb attached on it, and then if you remove, this is the head. So basically on the bigger area like this part, I use this head, and for smaller areas like between the brows, around the nose, upper lip area and below the brow bone, so these smaller areas, I use these two heads. Here also you see there are two kind of heads. This is the smaller side and this is the little longer side. So again, they give you like 3 different options to work around different area of the face, which is great. So yeah, let's start. On the left side I'll show you the trimmer, and on the right side I'll show you the razor. So let's start how I shave my face. Let's start with this trimmer side first. So as I have the smaller head on, I'll first work on the smaller areas like upper lip, and a little bit extra hair I have here above the eyebrow and around the nose. So we'll first work on those areas. So I've removed the hair with the trimmer on the left side, and let's move on to the right side of the face. And so before using the razor on my face, I like to apply aloe vera gel on my face first. I cover my face with aloe vera gel. It actually helps in reducing the irritation while we using the razor on the face, and it also calm down the skin and moisturize the skin as well. Let's start shaving with the razor. And with the razor you have to go downward direction like this, and the motion you have to use is this wiggle motion like this I am doing, and you go like from top to bottom. So my right side of the face is also clean, and let me show you a closer look how the razor side is looking and how the trimmer side is looking. So this side of the face is looking much cleaner, and as I said, razor gives you a very closer shave and it looking absolutely clean and soft. And this side of the face, I still can see hair here and here as well. So also you can see hair over here. So after this I clean my face and I continue with my skincare. So let's talk about the pros and cons for razor and the trimmer. Trimmer doesn't give you a very close shave. You can still feel the hair on the face and you can still see this greenish area, which I don't really like. But if you have sensitive skin and you don't want your skin to be irritated after removing the hair, you can try out this. This is like the safest option. This is safest, cheaper, and this will last you long also. And this actually comes with a lot of attachments, so you can make a use out of it. So if you are sensitive skin, you do experience acne after shaving the face, you feel bumps on your face, then you can use trimmer. And for razor, this gives closer shave, this exfoliate your skin, and this also removes the peach fuzz. Basically trimmer does not remove the peach fuzz, so it gives me very close shave. My skin feels smooth, it's soft, and it's absolutely clean. Also your skincare products, you know, get deeper in your skin, and your makeup sits a lot better because the hair doesn't come in the way of your skincare and makeup. So for me, razor always. I tried trimmer, did not like it, so back to razor. So by now you must have decided what way you wanna go, razor or trimmer. That's it for today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.